Hello boys and girls, today I want to show you a very nice, lightweight and small cooking kit. The Optimus Terra comes in this really nice little package and it comes with its own stuff sack, and inside you've got a little pan and a nice little pot. So these are the components of the Optimus Terra cook set, and inside I've got a small gas cartridge and the Optimus Crux Lite. And this is really a nice, lightweight and small setup for a lightweight outdoor kitchen. You just screw on the little burner unit, then you can open up this little stays, so, and now if you light it on, gas escapes, you light it on, you have your burner and you can use the small pan or the pot. The pot holds about 400 milliliters or 16 Oz. Don't know if you see this right here. And if you're ready, pack it away. Just undo the burner, let it cool out before pack it away, of course, but now we have no fire, so it's already cool. And with a little work, you've got packed away again this really nice lightweight cook set. And of course we could weight this little cook set, and it comes about 43 grams, and that's the complete kit with the burner, the gas cartridge, the pot and the pan. And we will look how much it is in Oz. 15 Oz for the complete cook kit. That's not too bad.